Hello everyone, this is Chris with Sticker Fab. Today we are installing an overlay in the 2022 BRZ. That's what you got under there. I don't have my mount, so I'm just going to hold the phone and do this. I've aligned the overlay right up against that silver portion right there. And now, I've got to keep the door shut or it's going to yell at me. I just stretch it over to the other side. This is in 3D carbon material, which has air egress channels, makes it really easy to install. And there we go. It's as easy as that. You're just kind of massaging the ends of the material into place. And you got a little carbon fiber with red right there for your 2022 BRZ. We're going to be doing a lot of work on this vehicle. This vehicle, I think, has more opportunity than the last gen because we're going to hit it up with vinyl from the very beginning. So over the course of time, we'll come up with tons of ideas. We'll incorporate everything you guys tell us to do. We'll try to make as much of that as possible. So leave comments in the comment section below. Go to stickerfab.com. Message me on the messenger there or IG or wherever you can find us. Please like this video though. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you aren't subscribed already, and hit that bell notification so you can figure out the latest and greatest things we come out for the 2022 BRZ and Toyota GR86.